Hello guys, welcome back to the CATHAY Pacific Updates channel here with me, Roberto Manico Ignacio, my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY 777-300ER that flew to Xiamen from Hong Kong for maintenance and most likely to get her larger titles. And this aircraft is registered Roberto's Kilo Quebec Yankee. She took her flight number 63820, great circle distance of 496 kilometers. Actual flight time 55 minutes and a track of 250 degrees, as you can see it here. She took off at 5:06 a.m. local time in Hong Kong and then at runway 7 right, and then landed at 6:01 a.m. local time in Xiamen at runway 9 or 7. So I remember this bird was ruled by Portabella, which is the friend of Austin Rafael Hui of Toronto, formerly from Hong Kong. So for the details of Barbados Kilo Quebec Yankee, kindly check the previous video about this bird. So that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it. All by me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye.